Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, today we are going to read about one of the lessons of your English book, that is The Lost Leaf, which we have already earlier discussed in previous classes. So we will start here. These are the two girlfriends, Sui and Johnsy. Sui has made her mind that she will die. She is looking towards the ivy creepers. The leaves of that ivy creeper are falling one by one, and she is saying that when the lost leaf will fall down, she will die on that particular day. But they have brought the doctors, and the doctor has suggested her that if she until she will not made her mind to live a happy life, to live a life, the drugs would not help her, the medicine would not help her. So it is autumn, said Sui, and the leaves will fall. When Johnsy is going into the room of this Sui, into the room of the Sui, Sui says that it is autumn. The season is autumn, and the leaves will fall, and these leaves are falling, and they will fall one by one. When the lost leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. When the lost leaf, Johnsy is saying that when the lost leaf of this tree, of this ivy creeper will fall, she will die on that day. She has made her mind. It is final to her. I have known this for the last 3 days. I have known this for the last 3 days. She says that she is looking towards this ivy creeper, and she has she knows that in last 3 days the leaves are falling very fast. Oh, that is nonsense, replied Sui. But her friend Sui replied to her, "So this is foolish, this is nonsense. This is nonsense. ये foolish है, बेवकूफ़ी है. What have old ivy leaves do with your getting well?" Hey, my dear friend, what these leaves have to do with your getting well? They have nothing to do with your getting well. आपको सेहतयाब होने से सेहतयाब होना, ये आईवी क्रीपर, ये आईवी लीव्स जो है, इनको आपके इस अच्छे सेहतयाब होने से क्या ताल्लुक है? The doctor is confident that you will get better, and the doctor has said that he is confident that Sui will Johnsy will get very well. Johnsy will get very well very soon. Johnsy did not say anything. But Johnsy did not say anything. He remained calm, he remained mum, he remained silent. Sui went and brought her a bowl of soup. And meanwhile, Sui went into the kitchen and brought a bowl of soup. तो तब तक वो किचन में जाती और एक सूप का प्याला लाती है. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. But Johnsy refused to take any kind of soup. Johnsy says that he don't need any kind of soup. I'm not hungry. He says that he is not hungry. वो भूखा नहीं है. Now there are only 4 leaves left. Now there are 4 leaves left on the ivy creeper. I want to see the lost leaf fall before it gets dark, and I want to see when the lost leaf will fall before getting darkness. तो जब तक अंधेरा हो जाएगा, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये लीव जो है आखिरी पत्ता गिर जाए, then I will sleep forever, and so this Johnsy will sleep forever, so he will die. She has made her mind that she will die when the lost leaf of the ivy creeper will fall. Sui sat on Johnsy's bed. Sui sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her, and said, Sui, friend of Johnsy, she sat on the bed of this Johnsy, and she kissed her. उसने उसको चूमा and said और बोला, you are not going to die. Hey, my dear friend Johnsy, you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain, for I needed the light. Because she told her that she will not draw the curtain. मैं पर्दा नहीं खींचूंगी, for I need the light, because she is in need of light. उसको लाइट की ज़रूरत है. I want to finish this painting. Sui told her that she wanted to draw some painting and get some money for us, and after completion of this painting they will get some money for them. Please, my dear friend, she begged Johnsy. Now she begged Johnsy. She made a hand-folded request to Johnsy. Promise not to look out of the window while I paint. You have to promise that you should not look out of the window till she completes the painting. All right, said Johnsy. Now Johnsy replied that okay, this is all right. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. Hey, my dear friend, complete your this finish means complete your this painting, because I have to die when the last leaf of this tree will fall. I am tired of waiting. मैं थक चुका हूँ इंतज़ार करते करते. I have to die. She says that she has to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. And she told her that so please let him to go away. मुझे बाहर जाने दो peacefully. मुझे भाग जाने दो peacefully, अमन के साथ. Like one of those poor tired leaves. जिस तरह ये पत्ते, गरीब पत्ते गिरते हैं, वो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, मुझे भी इसी तरह ख़त्म हो जाना है. Try to sleep, said Sui. Now Sui convinced her. She is trying to motivate her, and she told her, hey, please sleep, try to sleep, सो जाओ. I have to paint an old miner. मुझे तो ये पहले ये जो पुराना माइनर है इसको मैंने पेंट करना है. I will call Behraman up to be my model. And she says that she will have to go to the Behraman. Behraman is one of the person who's living in that house. She told her that she will get this Behraman up, and she want become because Sui rushed down. After that, Sui rushed down. He goes down. Behrman lived on the ground floor because Behrman was living in the ground floor. वो ground floor में रह रहा था. He was a 60-year-old man. Who was Behrman? Behrman was a 60-year-old man. वो 60 साल का एक बूढ़ा आदमी था. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece. What was the lifelong dream? His lifelong dream, Behrman's lifelong dream. And उसका जो मकसद था, क्या था? उसका यही मकसद था that he wanted to paint a masterpiece. He wanted to draw a painting, but it should be a masterpiece of painting. But that had remained a dream. But till date, he was not in a position to paint such a kind of picture. Sui poured out her worries to Behrman. Now, Sui she poured her worries to Behrman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fall. Now, Sui told this story to Behrman that Johnsy has made her mind that when the last leaf will fall and she will die at that time. Is she stupid? Asked Behrman. Behrman asked her, I think she is stupid. वो बेवकूफ़, मुझे बेवकूफ़ लगती है. How can she be so foolish? How can she be so foolish? How can she be so rubbish? वो किस तरह इतनी बेवकूफ़ बन सकती है? She is running a high temperature, complained Sui. Now, Sui told her that she is getting very much fever. She is having a high temperature. She refuses to eat or drink, and she denies to eat anything, to eat something or to drink something. And that worries me a lot, and this thing is worrying her very much. This thing is worrying her very much. So till this we came to know that these are the two girl friends, Johnsy and this Sui. They are very much close. They are intimately related with each other. Sui is one of the girl who has made her mind that she will die when the last leaf of the ivy creeper will fall. She has got a phobia. I think she has got a phobia. उसको फोबिया हो चुका है कि जब ये पत्ता आखिरी पत्ता इस आईवी क्रीपर का गिर जाएगा उसी के साथ उसकी भी मौत हो जाएगी. Sometimes it becomes a very dangerous for a person who is relating something with other thing, so it is not good. हमें भी ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए कि उसको फोबिया हो चुका है कि उसको मैं मर जाऊंगी जब ये पत्ता गिर जाएगा इसी के साथ मैं भी मर जाऊंगी. This is totally rubbish. This is totally wrong. So we have to be confident. So tomorrow inshallah we will see what will happen in the next. Thank you.